In this video, we will discuss about market structures. If you do not watch the basic video yet, please rewatch it again. So in the market, we got the bullish structures and the bearish structures. So in the bullish structures like this, we got multiple breakup structures to the upside by the body. And for the bearish structures, we got multiple breakup structures by the body to the downside. So how to identify reversal? For the bullish structures, if the trend is reversal, you need to see two low in order to identify that is a reversal. And for bearish structures, you need to identify two high, which is this one and this one. So that is basically the market structures analysis. So let's move on to this example right here. And as you can see on the eurojpy, on the 4-hour time frame, currently the market structures is in a very strong bearish because we got many breakup structures by the body to the downside. Therefore, it should be optimal if you only looking for a short. And in the next video, I will show you what you should do in your 1-hour time.